The other day, one of our swimmers asked me, "Isn't swimming supposed to give you abs? Why don't I have abs yet?" Here is the answer I wish I had given him. The lean, ripped bodies of elite swimmers makes us think, nice, I'll swim 3 times a week and boom, abs city. But here's the reality. Swimming is amazing, but it's not a magical fat melting activity. Swimming does work your core. Freestyle, abs and other muscles stabilize your spine. Butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, and dolphin kick, your whole core is engaged, especially your abs. But there's a difference between building muscle and revealing it. You have been working hard and you want that work to be in full display in your body. But here's the thing. Everybody has abs. They're just hiding under a cozy layer of insulation. For abs to show, you need to lower your overall body fat. That's not just about swimming more. It's about creating a calorie deficit, burning more than you eat, and increasing your metabolism is an important thing in that process. A 60-minute moderate swim burns about 300 to 600 calories. That's like one muffin or about half a bagel. It's way easier to eat calories than to swim them off, which means that your food choices matter just as much, if not more, than your workouts. But we want to burn fat even when you're resting. That is the goal if you want to reveal your abs. You can swim till you're fatigued, but if you're snacking like it's post-Olympics buffet, your abs will keep playing hide and seek. Abs are made in the kitchen, so if you eat out a lot, they will not come out and say hi. Genetics plays a role too. Some people lose belly fat first. Others, it's the last thing to go. My sports nutritionist calls this the rebellious skin fold, and mine is in the opposite side of the abs. This doesn't mean that revealing your abs is impossible for you. It means that you will have a harder time than other people, and that is a good thing. At the end, you will appreciate it more than them. Other things that slow down your metabolism and make you store fat easier are chronic stress, bad sleeping habits, small amount of muscle mass, and even social isolation. Those swimmers with chiseled abs, they're not just swimming. They're training 20 plus hours a week, lifting weights, eating healthy, sleeping like pros, and yeah, they've been doing it for years. It's a symptom of their training, not really their goal. Here's what you can do if you want to see real change. Swim smart. Mix long sessions with sprints and drills. Eat with awareness, not a crazy diet, just the necessary portions for your activity and your body without sugar drinks and with other people. Add dry length strength. The more muscle you have, the more calories you will use even during sleep. And 4, stay consistent. Think years, not weeks. Bonus, celebrate every small win. If you win swimming or lifting, celebrate it, not with a sugary drink. If you are into numbers and it won't stress you but motivate you, measure your body fat every other month. Progress isn't just about looks, it's about how you feel in the water and in life. Having high levels of optimism will reduce stress. So, talk to people in real life. Reduce screen time and dance a little. Stressing about abs will make the abs more likely to hide. If you want abs, swim. Swim a lot. Smile while swimming sometimes. And even if they don't show up, you still did a lot of swimming. And swimming is good in itself. Swimming is one of the best things you can do for your mind, your body, and your soul. It makes you stronger, calmer, and more alive. And that's what I wish I had said. In the moment when he asked if swimming was supposed to give you abs, I just said, yeah, I wish, buddy. If you want to learn how to sleep better, click on this video. If you want a nutrition masterclass, well, I don't have it. Not in English at least. Sign up if you want to translate it to English in the link below. Swim fast.